Start with the fourth type. To construct the quadrilateral if three sides and the two angles included by them are given. Means these two sides and two angle included by them. This one, two, three sides and two angles included by them are given. That time we have to construct the quadrilateral. For that, we have to start with the solved question of the textbook. That construct the quadrilateral PQRS such that QR is equal to 5 centimeter, RS is equal to 6.2 centimeter, SP is equal to 4 centimeter, measure of angle R is equal to 62 degree, measure of angle S is equal to 75 degree. If you want to construct that time, before you will construct the quadrilateral, you have to draw the rough diagram. This is the rough diagram. Here you have to draw one of the quadrilateral like this. You have to give the name PQRS. This QR is 5 centimeter. This SR is 6.2 centimeter. This PS is 4 centimeter. This angle R is equal to 62 degree. Angle S is equal to 75 degree. And from that you have to construct the quadrilateral. If you want to construct the quadrilateral, that time you have to draw the base first, after that angle, after that 6.2 R, after that 75 degree angle, and after that you have to draw the 4 centimeter. Step by step you have to draw. Again I will explain. First of all, you have to draw the base of 5 centimeter. After that you have to make the angle of 62 degree. After that you have to make the arc of 6.2 centimeter. After that you have to make the angle of 75 degree. After that you have to draw the arc of the 4 centimeter. In this way you have to construct the quadrilateral. For that, first of all you have to draw the base. Here you have to draw the base of 5 centimeter. So I will draw the base like this. If you want to construct the quadrilateral, for that you have to draw the base of 5 centimeter. This is the base of 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So I will say that this vertex is Q, this vertex is R. After that you have to make the angle of 62 degree with vertex R. In vertex R you have to make the angle of 62 degree. 62 degree is the acute angle. You have to adjust the protector properly. In the vertex R you have to make the angle of 60. Here you have to start with this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 and 62 will come. So you have to make the point and you have to join that point by the scale. So this is the angle of 62 degree. This is the angle of 62 degree. After that, friends, you have to make the arc of 6.2. If you want to make the arc of 6.2 with while keeping the pointer on R, and you have to, for the point S you have to make the arc. So you have to take the distance of 6.2 centimeter. I will take the distance of 6.2 centimeter here, and I will make the arc while keeping the pointer of the compass on R, and you have to make the arc of 6.2 centimeter. This arc will intersect this ray. That point is S, and this is the 6.2 centimeter. Then here with the vertex S you have to make the angle of 75 degree. So by the protector you have to keep the protector on in the vertex S, and you have to make the angle of 75 degree. 75 degree means here you have to start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 75 will come in between 70 and 80. So you have to make the point. After that, by the compass you have to join that point like this. This point you have to join like this. After that from S you have to point out the point P. For that you have to take the distance of 4 centimeter. In the compass you have to take the distance of 4 centimeter like this. This is the distance of 4 centimeter. You have to keep the pointer. You have to keep the pointer on S, and you have to make the arc like this. And after that, once you will make the arc, this point is called as point P. After that, you have to join this point P and point Q. So you will join this point P and point Q like this. At that time, this one is your desired quadrilateral PQRS. You have to write this. This one is the 4 centimeter, and this angle is 75 degree. In this way, you have to construct the quadrilateral PQRS when 3 sides and the 2 angles included by them are given. That time you have to construct the quadrilateral like this. First of all, draw the base. After that, make the angle of 62 degree. From keeping pointer on R, you have to make the arc of 6.2 centimeter. This point is S. With this point S, you have to make the angle of 75 degree. From the point S, you have to draw. Once you will make the angle of 75 degree, you have to take the distance of 4 centimeter. You have to make the arc. This point is P, and after that you have to join the point P and Q. In this way, you have to construct the quadrilateral. This is your desired quadrilateral PQRS. This way, you have to construct properly. You have to write all these things in the classwork notebook. Thank you.